Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to lock refresh rate per application on your RedMagic 11 Air smartphone. Locked refresh rate is the game exclusive feature on this smartphone, so it's active in any game that you play, but you can actually lock a specific refresh rate for a specific game that you're playing to adjust it to your FPS, for example. And to activate this feature, you have to first run any game on your smartphone, either from the home screen or from the game center, and after that open the game overlay in your game by swiping it from either top right side or top left side of your smartphone. Then here you're gonna have to locate the refresh rate tile, like this one with 60 Hz. And now what you're gonna have to do is select the refresh rate that you want to lock for this game. So for example, we can select 144 Hz, and this refresh rate will be active for this gaming session for this application exclusively, even if phone is set to any other refresh rate in settings. And that's basically how you enable this feature. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.